Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are joined by the best player of the game, Robert Lonick, and winning head coach, Joe Richico. Coach, Berto has been making those shots, lalo na nung fourth quarter. Talk about his performance today, along with Watkins, who has really made his presence known sa defense side naman.
Right, it's a convenience to play with Berto because it makes your offensive game easier, game time easier. When you have Robert, he makes great decisions, he makes big shots, he plays defense. So it's a luxury I'm lucky that I have Robert as my lead point guard, as our lead point guard. So he'll be there in the end game. And Mike, of course, we talked earlier, he gave us 17 points and 29 rebounds. 17 points, 29 rebounds. I don't know how many block shots he made. I think 4 block shots, which is an intimidating presence in the paint. And that's what Mike gives us.
Coach, what were the crucial adjustments for the team, lalo na nung fourth quarter, in order to get that win today?
Sorry.
What were the crucial adjustments of the team, lalo na nung fourth quarter, to get that win?
No major adjustments. I just think we defended well and we made big shots in the end to catch up. I think we were down by 10 already at certain point, but we were able to hang on. I don't know, it's weather the storm. Ngayon yung weather the storm. I was asked the previous game, hey, you weather the storm. We were down 10 already at a certain crucial point, but we were able to catch up because we just stayed together, defended, and of course we made stops and big shots.
Thank you, Coach Berto. In an import conference, kitang-kita pa rin yung aggressiveness mo in going for that basket. Saan mo nakukuha yung kumpiyansa mo sa sarili?
Wala, ayun nga, sinasabi nga ni Coach, maganda yung game plan namin, tapos nandiyan yung game board namin. Pag maganda yung pinapakita niya, nagiging open kami lahat eh. So, yung second half, nag-adjust siya, tumuro siya ng maigi, at grabe yung depensa niya, kaya napakante yung mga shooters namin, at napakante rin kami, kaya nakapag-penetrate kami dahil sa kanya.
Berto, 39 points ka today, and then 20 points nun all in the fourth quarter. Anong nangyari sa quarter na yun for you to explode that much?
Hindi ko alam. Nagkataon lang na yung mga punta ng bola, napakante ako, tapos yun, kumpiyansa lang na practice ko naman yun. Pero yung 2 points ko yung, ang dami kong miss layup, usually nasushoot yun. So, actually okay naman, maganda yung team, maganda yung ginawa lahat ng players namin. Lahat sila nag-contribute, maganda namin kayo sa Robbie lahat. So, yun. Kevin rin, crucial, yung fourth.
We are now opening the floor if the media has any questions.
Congrats, 39 points. With this kind of win against San Miguel na pending champion and contender na napakalaking bagay sa campaign mo.
Malaki siyempre, alam naman natin, hindi lang San Miguel, yung SMC Group, malalakas yung lineup nila. And masaya lang kami na hindi kami nag-give up, yung sinasabi ni Coach kahit parang 1 point na mga ata sila ng 15, pero 14, pero nandun pa rin kami, lumalabang pa rin kami, step at a time. And lahat ng players nag-contribute, so yun yung maganda, pag lahat kami nagtulungan na maganda yung nangyayari.
Coach, dun sa comeback nyo, crucial din si Anthony sa comeback.
Si Senator Anthony. Yes, of course. Very versatile naman si Tony. He can spread the floor, he can defend. So, malaking bagay si Tony. And si Enoch din, na nakahanap ako ng defender din ng maski pa paano kay Miller. So, yun. Lahat nga, sabi ni Berto, lahat naman nag-contribute. Doesn't mean lang naman nag-contribute sa offense. Nag-contribute din lahat sa defensive end.
Coach, you beat San Miguel tonight, pero in 3 days, they never na first game sa...
Yeah, sana, we play the same way, with the same, yun lang. Of course, mahirap kalawin yun, back to back, nakapahinga sila. So, pero that's why we should be ready for yung Wednesday's game. Yeah, we should be ready for Wednesday's game.
Ganito ang I'm sure you're excited na sa rin nila.
Ako naman excited siyempre yan. Mas maganda rin sa amin kasi first game nila eh. So makakapakat sila. Baka may chance kami nga. And kita-kita tayo sa Wednesday. Kasi sapatos yan. Bumili kayo.
Bert, last conference, medyo parang numbers wise, parang nag-struggle ka dun sa 4-point range. Ngayon ba, 2 or 3 ka, parang nagagamay mo na yung mga.
Ayun nga.
Ang tanongin niyo kasi.
Mas maganda nga, hindi ka practice eh. Nung last conference, practice ko pa, hindi ako makashoot. So nung itong conference, hindi ko na iniisip kung nandun lang ako na nakapagigila. Mas napaganda pa, so tuloy-tuloy kasi.
Berto, saan mo lang iyahanay itong performance mo? Ano ba ito? Top 3, top 5, or top 10?
Lagi naman nandyan lang eh. Top 2, top 3. Yung maganda yung, malakas yung kalaban namin eh. And, nasamaan ng laro ng first half eh. And yung second half wala lang. Yan sinasabi ni Coach, kumpiyansa lang, tira mo lang, and yun. Biglang yung Panginoon na tulungan ka rin. So, masaya.
That concludes our post-game press conference. Congratulations to
Thank you.
all.